Welcome back. This is FME Lighting's Holiday Edition. Today we're going to talk about the VF2 rated Food Zone NSF ANSI 2 fixture. In the past, for food grade applications, manufacturers have used the old 2x4 style fixture with the vapor type clips on the side. Those fixtures are designed as a fluorescent luminaire, and simply what they did is they went in and put drivers and LED strips in those fixtures. There is absolutely no need to have clips on an LED luminaire since there are no spare parts. We are the first manufacturer to come out with a product specifically designed for an LED application. This product is completely sealed and gasketed. We can hit this with 1500 PSI. It is IP69K, NEMA 4X rated, -40C and up to 65C. So great in cold storage, great in any high heat oven type applications. Another great feature is the fact that we can dim this down all the way to 0 and all the way up to full brightness. This is a 200 watt fixture, so we're going to tone this down to about 14%. So we can also control the color tone of the fixture from blue all the way back down to a warm tone. The importance of that is in food production areas where you have animals, cows and chickens for example, we can control their sleep patterns. A lot of times we want them to be more docile and quiet, other times we want them to be more active. So by doing that, we can improve the production of the facility. Before I go, I want to remind you of the large inventory we have of explosion-proof lighting products. Thank you for your time.